Hello guys, welcome back on a technology welfare. Let's learn and what's be practical in this tutorial. How to especially bypass when your device has been locked to an owner, especially. Sometimes as we know that your device has been especially linked to an owner and asking especially or demanding enter the Apple ID and password. That's well used to set up this device. In this tutorial especially, I will tell you without doing a jailbreak how do you especially get rid of it or similar situation in a condition when your device has been especially in a stolen mode, lost mode, or blacklist. In that condition especially, how do you wipe out the completely or permanently especially from this situation of any iPhone's device. Right now as we see, this is especially 13 Pro, and that has been linked to an Apple ID, and here asking that enter the Apple ID and password. This phone was especially lost or erased, so due to that activations locks the prevents, and when who is especially not the owner from so the using this device, it means you are not a genuine owner. However, you would like to especially bypass of it. And once again, if you want to generate a new Apple ID and password on this device, then of course that's trick also I will tell you. In a case the SIM card or network is not coming on this device, that's also how do you address or how do you fix it. That's I will also show you. So see, especially when I open iTunes, guys, so when I come in a Windows search bar here and open iTunes, run as administrator, this means after assessing all the data, it's saying that of course you are unable to especially operate this device because of especially data was lost to see actually and erase the interdable ID and password that were used to set up this device. So when the owner the purchase and asking that enter that Apple ID on the time, actually you have generated some specific the particular ID. So either you have forgot or especially lost blacklisted. Don't worry. In every situation it will work. So first and foremost what we will do here, we will have to come in a Windows search bar. We have to open especially here 3 tools, guys. This tool especially is not chargeable, it's free of course. You have to come in a toolbox. In toolbox you have to especially there will be one feature that is a crash analysis. Whatever all the data is inside there, of course we will fetch these ones and thereupon we will try to delete of this. Due to that especially Apple server won't be able to catch especially that this device is a link to an Apple ID. This ones we have to delete it. So 3 all I have deleted. Now see, one thing more actually, we have to now, it's a time to download IPSW especially, guys. So of course we will have to come especially on a specific website to download. Otherwise of course 3U tool also give you to download this IPSW. Just come on there, flash it, and as we see this is of course locked to owners. As we see here is a 17.2 beta 3. So this one also can be possible to other download here. By clicking here it will start to download, but for saving time, especially when you have a half an hour at your home without any hassle, so you can execute. Not the requirements to especially go at any shops to especially bypass it. So that's why actually here we will open a Google Chrome browser and just we have to type here IP SW beta and hit the enter button, and here let's see actually here I would like to show you once again. See, it has been linked. So yes, we will come on this website and let me maximize this ones. Just we will have to choose the product here, guys. So it's iPhones, and here especially we have to come to which one model it is. So it's a 13 Pro. So here is a, when you hit this, just go for latest beta version. That will work effectively here. So see 7.2 beta 3, this one, just when we hit it will start to download. This one actually I have already downloaded, so let's actually by do that. So it has been see actually recommending here. Now it's the time to especially of course open Just see iMaging PC. This tool is also actually designed to, especially management of all the iOS operating system. So now see, it has been just we will go with the continue this similar version, and here this is a old one device that I had especially cleared. So just we have to the come here. We will have options to forward. So let's see here. Yeah, if it is not, here is a coming options to forward than that conditions. Yes, we will have to just a little bit disconnect, and of course, so once again, we will have to, yeah, this one's say connect. So at this time, especially, so of course, it has SSR data, but we will have to become especially on Imaging PC, and once again, we will check it out. Imaging PC. Now, see, it has been especially here 13 Pro that has been connected. Here, see guys, multiple device. If you are confusing, then just click on here and we will click to forget. So here will be one options to this one. Now see, yes, we will hit this one, so it will be removed. Now see, this is a 13 Pro. Just we will come the crash analysis, and whatever the old data is inside there, that's we will especially the facet. Yes, now see, it has been successfully. Now this is a on especially I'm 13 Pro. Now just after each 5 minute or 2 minute we will clear till the date of today is not coming. So see now, just we will clear. Yes, just we will hit this to clear. Let me cancel. Let me just minimize it. So now see, actually whatever the old data that is clearing. Now it's a time to especially put this device into the DFU mode. So just we will come to once again on a toolbox to especially one is the options that are enter the REC recovery and mode. Just we will hit this one's button guys. So this device has started to put into the recovery mode guys now. So just we will clear also this one's. Now see, it's a putting here. So of course we will hit this one. So now as we see, just we will cancel, and here see, now it's saying that this device has been especially destined to the here recovery mode. So now it's time to especially cut it from here, and of course we will cut it from here also. And thereupon we will come on once again on Imaging PC, and just we will hit this one's clear. So now white color is comes almost we have the clear. So it's a time to especially press the shift key of your computer, and of course we will click on especially update options. So now here is actually I have already downloaded the beta version, so this one is especially, so just we will open to this one. So it's saying that yes, we will hit this one. So now see, actually on this especially it's not attacking. So at that conditions, of course we will come when especially iTunes is giving any error, then that condition, of course, we will have to come especially with the 3U tool. And 3U tool, just to click on a go to there, and of course, and this is a beta 3. So of course, we will try to import this, especially this one's it was. So just to see, it has started to verify, and after verifying, so then of course we will select this, especially in the quick flash mode. Don't select especially retain user data, because what the data is inside especially on this device, this will be a remain. So that's why actually guys. Now actually see, almost 44% is we have declared. Let's see, actually we will have to wait here, and after completing the 100% is then we will especially. And one thing more, actually, whatever the data is especially inside on this device, that don't elect especially anti-recovery, otherwise especially whatever the data is, and that won't be ever recover. But if the sometimes you have the imported, then of course uh, according to the situation you have to elect here. But this is especially quick flash mode, this one we will have to elect especially. So whatever the data will be inside there, that will be completely wiped out. So now see, successfully it has been especially completed. So now we will have to select especially quick flash mode, this option. Don't select the retain user data, because whatever the data is inside this, this will be at the remains. And due to that, especially when you try to batch activate, or especially when you try to skip the batch activations logs, or especially deactivate of this device, in that condition the Apple server will get easily, especially the device has been linked to an Apple ID. So in that condition, just don't select with the fixed flash, just we will have to select the quick the flash mode and just to hit this ones. It's the same, the battery and the health, of course we will optimize and we will hit this one. So now see, it has started to, especially on the 5%. We will have to wait especially 11 to 10%, and when it will be exited from especially this recovery, then we will see any kind of there is the comes, then we will address it together here. And don't worry, at the end of that there's a 2-3 the tricks that we need to execute, and after executing that, of course 100% use device will be. Now it's the time to close the multiple apps, that is especially imaging PC. Just let it only one works on 3 tool, because so that it will work quickly and it will take a very less time. So that's why actually can I close this iTunes also. Now see, actually it has been rest on the 80%. So see what will happen the furthermore answer that situation. And see any kinds of the query, if you have, so then of course blindly have the query below the comment box. And the pleasure will be mine to the especially the reply of the query. Now 20% is we have completed, and as we see it has started to especially associate the especially whatever the data, especially with coming the beta version, that is especially the IPSW, especially 17.2 beta especially 3. So try to always go with the especially beta version. Why I'm telling the beta version recommending to you? Because of especially yes, beta versions, Apple especially the launch to try of that, and the response that once again coming, especially on the similar, that is a normal IPSW. So beta version that especially Apple won't be able to especially replicate that. So now 39% is we have completed. Total time estimation, of course, half an hour is required. So when you're free and you are not interested to go especially at any shops to especially bypass of it. So for bypassing, for removing it permanently, for wiping out of the cloud activation, or to get rid of it, especially this activation logs. This is especially the newer device, that is a 13 Pro, but similar strategy can be this factor, especially on 14, 15 Pro Max, especially on any Apple device. Right now at the end of, yes, we will have to check it out. The SIM card is also working or not. Spontaneously, also we will see any error in the midst of that, that's will is. One thing more also, we will have to use a special original data cable that has been connected here. Battery is especially this store, the survey especially more than 45% is spontaneously. Internet connection should be connected. So right now see especially one internet connection that has been connected. And see, it's once again, see, it has been disconnected automatically. I don't know why. So it will take 2-3 times rebooting. Don't worry guys, because as we see here right now, it's once again the rest on the 9%. I don't know, but once again it has been the rest, but automatically it will saturate the whole the gap up quickly, especially. Don't worry. Now this device especially, see, iTunes has been still on a recovery, but now it has been exited. Now the require especially iTunes only once it works with a 3 tool, because it will take them much more times. Now see, it has been directly actually jumping the from especially 13, 14, 48. So I'm not going to edit any kind of special things especially on this tutorial. This is a live recording especially on this device. Today, especially when the customers, especially the camera show, and especially I was highly crystallized to the record, especially maybe the beneficial, because some of the viewer, they were especially they had been commenting on, especially that of course when you will especially bypass of especially 13 Pro, So now see it's watch similar. You will have to do watch carefully, and then you will have to proceed or execute the similar start to especially get rid of it. This situation, guys. 55% we have completed. Now see here. This is live recorded. Maybe especially visuality is not coming clear more, but however, of course, any confusion you will have, then of course you have to blindly there is the query comment box. We will fix it together. And 3U tool, and the second is especially Amazon PC, and third one is iTunes. So these all are free, especially. Download link I will give you below the description box. Don't worry. Within one click, so you will be able to achieve that, especially all the download links. Now it has started to, especially I'm sending the firmware update data. So see what will happen. In the midst of that, especially clear the messages in the giving that, don't disconnect especially device from the PC, especially guys. And this is a new one, especially that the customer the go to as well somewhere else. And that especially for bypassing of data, is with removing of this tabs, that is iCloud activation log links. So if you would like to break, so of course, similar strategy without doing. I'm not doing in the jailbreak, so that especially after the starting, once again, it will trap in this one on iCloud and the activation logs, especially guys. So that's why 60% has especially we need especially 10 to especially 15 minutes, guys. More than of course it will be the completely wiped out. And in the midst of it's taking time, then of course go for the repairs of it, because we have to close all the multiples and apps and the world, especially working or currently I'm focusing on this, so that especially efficiency and time will especially reduce remaining times. So 63% is on it, especially I am now 64% is finds. I will have to do X. And sometimes, especially in the midst of that, if the error is coming, of course, once again, you will have to try. And don't disconnect in the midst of that. Why I'm the time? So because when you will disconnect in the midst of that on Apple logo, your device will be stuck. And then, of course, not going to get by virtue of iTunes as well as especially Amazon PC or 3U tools in that condition. Manually, you will have to put this device into the recovery mode. Then, of course, it will get done. Once again, you will have to proceed of this thing. So that's why actually this will be more harder than especially ramping up this procedure. So that's why now here right now, especially on 67%, now 68%, we will have to do it, especially 100%. When it will be completed successfully, then we will further ahead of this especially device. So 69% we have the completed now. And see, actually in the midst of that, it will give you errors. Definitely when your internet connection is not connected properly. So this has been connected right now. Because 3U tools as well as at the end of, especially when the SIM card is not functioning, or especially when we will start with the batch activation or deactivations of this device and started to create a new applied and password on this, especially that time if the errors comes, then of course we will, as we know that the salt zone of this special device, thus we will create a virtual private networks, especially on this computer, and then we will connect the internet connection on it, guys. Directly, of course, I will show you. We will handle to the bypass, and of course we will try to operate the manual the whole device of that. So we will have to wait and watch till this tutorial. On 74%, it's taking time, so maybe due to a server, as we especially have now 75% is files. We will have to almost we have done especially 75%. So you can expect the 60% because further 3 or 2 minutes, of course, it will take also. So that's why actually we will have to do it, guys. So now here, you see, internet connection that has been already connected, and only when the 3U tool is working. 77% is. See, actually, why it's taking time also, especially total IPSW or the firmware, the size is approximately 7 GB. So, of course, when you have a time and when you are free without any hassle at your home with the help of laptop or computer, you will have to execute. Almost we have a switch time there 20 minutes, a 20-minute is spent here. So don't worry. Now 83% is we have a completed. So hence how much percentage? Of course, I'm the 14. I'm the 14 or 12% is more that we need to have. And see, no one there actually right now applications are working except this 302 guys. 302 also is the giving sometimes some errors. So in that condition, internet connection you will have to do the change of that. Otherwise, of course, virtual private networks you have to go with that one. Because if the salt zone is not assessing of this device, then occurs network problem is coming. Sometimes it will give you the massive SIM card is especially invalid. So that's thing also we will have to fix it. So almost especially we have the rest on the 83%. Hence we will see what else the comings. And see in the next video tutorial also I will show you especially how do you access to find out or access to especially get what is the purchasing date as well as especially salt zone of this and the device, any device especially. It's very easy by putting a special IMI number as well as a special serial number or spontaneously, of course, I can say directly connecting with especially there's trio tool and the imaging PC also can be detected. So whatever especially and wherever you are getting error or the especially and confusion, you have to raise the according to especially there's the query. I will address especially by virtue of or of course by dint of the recording the tutorials. Now 83% is and sending the firmware updated details. It will take time. Scarcely. Of course, how much time that it will take in the hands, especially I don't know, but we will have to no directly. It will the rest to especially 100% to see here. It's taking time, but of course it will go there. In the midst of that, the refresh 2-3 times if you would like to reduce, of course, or to have the less time to spend on it. I know you're the valuable time actually has been still demanded in the half an hour. But of course, by using especially jailbreaks, it can be, and then it can be especially locked within 5 to 10 minutes. Because the for jailbreakings, it will take the total time how much to 5 minutes, and the 5 minute especially skipping of it. But what's especially the problem is the comics with the help of jailbreaks and tools. It's just after rebooting once again it's going to trap that, so that's why the permanently or completely if you would like to wipe out or get rid of it, that course can be this ones. So here still the writing especially metadata, hence approximately 10 minutes more especially we expect from here. And see this data cable has been connected, might be now see actually completed guys. The congratulations and the claim has been officially completed. So in that condition, what we will do, just we will have to wait and was to notify that this device has been connected once again. So now see here, this device is officially connecting right now. It will as we know that after rebooting, it will start to reload and then. So at this time, we will have to come on especially the toolbox and we will have to wait and was to especially highlight of the batch activations where it is. Batch activation it is guys. So just we will hit this once and of course we will see here this one has been highlighted. Just we will go for a start. So now it has started to skip this. What is that? Activating on this. It was trapped in the activation locks. Now it has started to skip. So scarcely here on the see on the other hand, especially this is a reloading of this firmware. On the other hand, it is a skipping of that. So I hope that it will be especially I'm the good it will be gotten rid of, especially this iCloud activation lock link from this device, guys. Now it's activating, so just to see what will happens. Now it has been done successfully, guys. This device has been the Amazon whole hello logo. So now what we have to do, guys? Nothing. Don't do anything. So don't connect any internet connections. Just we will have to complete deactivation strategy, and of course we will have to hit this one also. So we will have to do it and was in the 10-second here. So 7 8 it says the counting here, and then of course we will hit it. So now see here. Yes, we will hit this one, and now after deactivation this one also we have done successfully. So once again we will have to open. Now it's the time to especially come with especially iTunes, guys, and as we see it is on a hello screen, so don't worry. Now it's accessing the data. On the other hand, especially if we want, then once again we will come on a especially. Now see it's batch activations where it is. Once again we will have to complete. So batch activations in this one, just once again if we want, then of course we can hit this one. Now see it's saying that welcome to the new device, so it has been almost for surety or confirmation. Yes, if you want, then yes, do 2-3 times just to see. It's saying that it is, and over the continue to the parcel setup. So of course we will come with this one. Yes. Now see it's going to be a restarting. Don't worry. If any error in the midst of that or Apple server is getting, then of course we will have to come. See now it has been hidden, so we will have to do it once again. Almost we have done. Don't worry, guys, it has been disconnected once again, so it will notify. Now once again it's restarting. So batch activation is not highlighted. Once again it has been gone in the hidden way, but that shouldn't be. So maybe a server error is coming on this device. So now it's once again restarting. So I don't know the way it's rebooting once again. Now it has been the notified, so batch activations once again it comes. Yes, we will have to hit this once again. That's why actually latest one, especially IPSW, is especially giving always in the Apple device or Apple especially developer. Now see once again it has been the rest, not in the accessing of all the data. Now once again it has started to especially, so it will come here then. Now once again see this device is saying that welcome to other new ones. It means of course now see all the detail the camera here especially, but however now see once again it is here, but I don't know start is raised, we will come with this parcel. Now see guys, nothing we have done, especially no internet connection inside there, and everything has been declared. Internet connection is not there, just we hit this one, and of course now we will go in the inside of the bar, tapping on the setting, and we will see there is nothing. Of course if we want, then of course we can here, it's easy way, we will click on it. We don't have anything, so we don't have ID, so internet connection is not there. So in that condition of course we will have to do. Now it's time to the connect a special internet connection. How it's easily, sometimes it will give you error, but of course nothing is impossible. Of course if you want that, just we will enter the password of the Wi-Fi. Now it's the time to enter the internet connection. Otherwise if you directly connect to the Wi-Fi, then of course the Apple server will get it easily that. And maybe see SIM card is working or not, that also we will check it out. So if you would like to have the confirmation of the SIM card, just we will hit this once, and of course we will see. So of course SIM card is working properly. Now see the message came here, so nothing the problem about the SIM card. It's a time to create a new here. So we will hit this once. If it is not coming, then now date of the birth is coming. So And according to the down slides, show course if we want, and then so we can create new applied in the password especially on this device, the blending. So I would say easily, guys, you can get rid of it. And if you want, then we have to come with the help of iTunes. If you are initialized to the create new applied in the password, then first come in the sign up there, and here is options to the create new applied in the password. So now it's once again assessing a data, and after assessing, if there is no ID, then definitely. And with restart also there will be no link, so it's an easy way, just let it access, and then of course we will see the furthermore. If it is now, see guys, the temporary, so this iTunes actually a name is coming, but don't worry, we will have to do once again, we have to try by clicking on to the create new Apple ID. Otherwise select the date of the birth especially here, and then we will go for select the especially last name, first name, date of the birth we have to select, and then we have to go with. So it's an easy way, guys, by manually of course tapping on this device, but I would like to show you this thing also with the help of especially iTunes, because we have done everything with especially this iTunes. So let's wait here, and we will wait in the words especially to have especially. Now almost we have here this, don't worry, it's getting here, but see nothing is here. Of course, now phone is working the properly, and there's nothing the problems. Now it's getting little bit always, especially having the error on the server, but this thing also will be the fix. Now almost we have done, but this one is having just 1 or 2 in the coming. Sometimes it will not become due to especially all the especially the iTunes, so this one also we will have to. Now, so this is all about in this video tutorial, guys. Furthermore, any inquiry, of course, I have the query below the comment box. I will reply as soon as possible according to your query. Almost we have done, but I don't know on especially especially having not assessing these items. So these things that can be especially the fix, but here is maybe due to especially internet speed is not the coming good. So that's why. Otherwise, with the help of especially, I have already mentioned to you, coming on account to the create new Apple ID. This option will come there. So in this tutorial, this is all about. And furthermore, of course, I have the query below the comment box. I will reply as soon as possible. So guys, how do you like this tutorial? Also to give the feedbacks that on which device it is going to be the proper functional, on which device it is not going to be the proper functional. So thank you very much indeed. And furthermore, any inquiry ahead. And see, if it is informative and knowledgeable, then don't forget to like and subscribe and share of these contents, because this may be beneficial with a high increased to especially in the bracket, or especially by pass this activation log. So get rid of it. Either your device has been installed in mode, last month, the blacklisted guys. So thank you very much indeed. Have a great time, guys. Bye bye.